Hello guys. Under the domestic cold and hot water supply system, we use one of the special pipe type ABS class E pipe. So as a technical MEP quantity surveyor, we should be aware for this pipe, and also we familiar with other pipes also. Let's say PVC pipe, PPR pipe, PEX pipe, but ABS class E type is a little bit different, and also we have to separately calculate this pipe because the rate also it's a little bit different to compare with other pipe. The ABS class E pipe, so the ABS mean the definition of ABS here, it is also one of the plastic pipe. Okay, it is very strong and lightweight, especially it is a very huge durability and resistant to the chemical. And another very important thing is the class E pipes are designed based on their pressure. Very important terminologies here, pressure rating. So the pressure rating mean we use this pipe for some special places. That means we use this pipe for pump room areas, and also we know very well the sum of high-rise building project, the water tanks placed under the basement area. So we have to supply the domestic water from the basement to the floors. In this case, class E pipe specially used for carrying the water with high pressure from the pump room to the floor level. And also we have some other classes also available, class A, B, C, D, E pipe, but each and every class is used for some specific purposes. So class A pipe, there is a low pressure system we use for some irrigation purposes. We use class E pipes, so the application of this class E pipe is heavy duty industrial purposes and also the high pressure systems. In our project also, it is one of the high rise building projects, so our purposes for use this class E pipe is to carrying the high pressurized domestic water from basement to floor level. So that's why we use class E pipes. The main conclusion of this session is, if you receive any other cold and hot water supply drawing for your project or any other tender stages, first off you have to identify where is the high pressurized pipe, and also you have to very carefully see the notation for that pipes. If that pipe notation is class E type pipes, then there is no more any issues. If you find out any other general PVC pipe or something, you have to ask some technical question to your design team. This is our main intention for this session.